Today, we still got the spaghetti. We made a chicken parmesan sandwich. We're gonna pop this up top. We're gonna cook with the fine wines. Look at it close. Cook with the fine wines. Pasta parmesan. We're gonna get a wine glass. And this is also for the tubbly bubbly. Put some bubbles in the tub. Cook with the wines. Get you a bite of that spaghetti and meatball sauce. Here's a good piece right here. Here's a good piece of spaghetti. That's what the chicken parmesan looks like on wine. It's got a little parsley. You cook with the wines and this gets you super drunk. Now that's all I wanted to eat. That one bite was delightful.